Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy wrapped Bitcoin WBTC on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will go to coinbase.com and after that you will log into your account. Now you arrive at the homepage of Coinbase and we would like to select the option buy and sell. As you can see, there are three options on top. We would like to select the middle one, the buy and sell option. After that, the buying overview will be opened. So for the first step, we would like to select the purchase frequency. For now, I will leave it on a one-time purchase, but you have different options. As you can see, you can buy it on a daily base, a weekly, twice a month, or a monthly base. So if you would like to buy the more than one time, just select one which suits for you. For now, I will leave it on a one-time purchase. After that, I will fill in the amount of euros I would like to spend on this buy. And as you can see, I'm using 2 euros. So now we select the asset. We would like to buy wrapped Bitcoin and tick it in the search bar and the coin will be shown. Now we will select it. And now you have selected the asset we are going to buy. As you can see, I'm paying with my Euro wallet. But if you are living in another country or region and you are using different currencies, just select the one you would like to use. If you don't see any options, add a new payment method just by clicking on this button. If you have added it, it will be shown in this list. For now, I will leave it on my Euro wallet. And after that, you can click on Review Order. Here there will be some information shown about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, I'm receiving very less coins and I'm using my Euro wallet. The purchase amount is €1.01, but the Coinbase fee is 99 cents. So the total amount we are spending is 2 euros. So if you would like to buy it on a different purchasing frequency, so like a weekly, then you can select this option. I will leave it on no because I just want to make a one-time purchase. And after you have decided to buy them, click on the buy now option and the coins will be added to your wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys. Cheers.